Hello and welcome to the Internet Income Academy, where we show you how to turn your online dreams into reality. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website step by step. Whether you're creating a website for your business, portfolio, or personal blog, this video will guide you through the process. So, let's get started. Step 1. Plan your website. Before starting to build your website, you need to plan it. Decide on the purpose of your website, target audience, content, and the features you want to include. Ask yourself, what is the goal of my website? What type of content will I publish? Do I need a contact form or a search bar? This planning stage will help you to stay organized and focused throughout the website building process. Step 2. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. The next step is to choose a domain name and hosting provider for your website. A domain name is the address of your website, and hosting is where your website files will be stored. Choose a domain name that is memorable, relevant, and easy to type. You can buy a domain name and hosting from a variety of providers such as Namecheap, Bluehost, HostGator, and GoDaddy. Namecheap is an affordable and reliable web hosting provider that offers a wide range of features and tools to help you build a successful website. With free domain registration, competitive pricing, fast load times, and easy-to-use website builders, Namecheap is a great option for anyone looking to create a professional online presence. So if you're looking for a quality web hosting provider that won't break the bank, give Namecheap a try. Link in description. Step 3. Install WordPress and choose a theme. Now that you have a domain name and hosting, it's time to install WordPress, the most popular website building platform. WordPress is easy to use, has a wide range of features, and offers plenty of customization options. After installing WordPress, choose a theme that suits the purpose and style of your website. You can choose a free theme from the WordPress repository or buy a premium one from websites such as ThemeForest. Step 4. Customize your website. Once you have chosen your theme, it's time to customize your website. Add your logo, create pages, and write content. WordPress has a simple interface that allows you to edit your website with ease. You can also install plugins to add additional features such as contact forms, social media buttons, and analytics. Step 5. Launch your website. After you've customized your website, it's time to launch it. Make sure you preview your website on different devices and web browsers to ensure it looks good and functions properly. Also, make sure to optimize your website for search engines by adding relevant keywords, titles, and descriptions. And that's it. You now know how to build a website. Happy website building!